Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Very Dark Ma and this lady called King Mitchy. I didn't want to talk about this because there's a lot going on in the world right now. We don't even know if World War III is going to come. So I was covering all that part. I was trying to be updating my viewers on my other channel, and yeah, I saw, but just watching what is going on, I really have some things to say. The thing is that I'm not too good with telling all the stories because when I start, I forget what I'm going to say at the end. That's why I'm not really touching on all those things, and I don't like when the story is going on and on and on and on and on and on. It doesn't stop. This thing started since how many days now, and it's still going on. Now today, Very Dark Man rise from the dead today for what he is doing. Yes, I'm a big supporter of Very Dark Man, and I didn't like what happened. How this guy started to attack him from nowhere. For some reasons, he just gets so jealous and start attacking him, and he retaliates with he give her what she wanted, and now she started acting like she's a victim of everything that is going on. If you don't want war, don't start the war, just like Iraq is doing now. What is going on, not Iraq, what is going on in Iraq now? When you attack a country, the country will fight back. So now the country is fighting back and trying to put every country together with him, like make the war all like like it's going like it's for everybody, you know. When someone attack you, you attack the person, but you attack everyone that is around you. So it's just the same way like now what King Mitchy is doing now. So this is why I want to talk about it because right now it's now involving a lot of more people into this fight. Which I know that Nigerians sometimes they want to be involved in something that you will not call in. So anything they didn't call you and you cross through the crossfire. It's going if the crossfire affects you, then you take it like that. So that is what is going on now. Paying people to cover up everything that you're doing is crazy. Why did you start it in the first place that you want to cover up now? So you thought you go that she didn't know who Very Dark Man is, or she don't know how Very Dark Man fights back people who fight him, you know? And what he always say, if if you come for me, you are the victim. If I come for you, you are the victim. He always says that. And that is exactly what she's doing now because I don't get it. And for so them to be saying she's mentally not stable right now, I don't really think that is yes, anybody will be, because when your secret, something you didn't expect will be coming out, that's fear, and that you're losing everything, because she knows she's losing everything now that she's played on since. I won't say that she worked hard for, because this is not work hard for now, because everything she's been doing now look like it's a trick, like everything is not real. Even though it's part of working, and even criminals that goes to rob, they put hard working time on going to do that robbery. So I will just give it to her that she work hard. So now things are coming out about her, whether it's true or not true. She started it, so she will just have to bear what she started. One thing is that if you're doing something, stay secret. When you know you have some cobwebs in your cupboard, why coming out to point out another person saying secrets things, or whether they're doing something or not, and that person too, you don't even know whether they're doing it. You bring it up, and now they are attacking you. You are crying like you were the victim. And women do this a lot every time. Just like a woman that is dating a man, maybe the man leaves her, you see her crying. Oh, some women know that this man doesn't want them, but they still keep going for it until the day man like, oh, I'm just tired now, I have to, or they catch him out with a woman. Then they'll say, oh no, he did this to me. They could see it in the beginning of the relationship. Now they will now make themselves like the victim now, when you are the one forcing yourself to be in that relationship. Some of them will now attack the man, saying that, oh, his thing is not big enough, don't mind him, he think he's the best. It was the best when you were there. Now you left, it's not the best. It's the same thing now that Mitchy is doing now. She's coming out now to do like she is now the victim. She is not. She's not. And this thing should end because there are a lot of things going on, you know. And I like the way Very Dark Man point out the people who are really behind all the things. People who have made, they might not be the one pushing her right now, but they must have putting things in her head that she thinks that she has that power to take him down. She has the power to speak up for them because when somebody like now you have a friend or you have a family member or a friend that is complaining, oh, my husband is this, my husband is that, always complaining to that person. So that woman already see the man as a bad man. When one little thing like this when he will see the man somewhere, the man just greet her like this. You say, this useless man, or just talk to the man anyway, anyhow. And now when the man will start attacking back to this person now, the wife will not even join you. The wife that told you all the secrets of that person will not join you. This is what is happening now, because now you fighting for people because of what they are telling you or what they're making you feel. Now you're fighting. Where are they? They all abandon you. Instead, they will stay away from you. Even the way you are fighting it is just so rubbish. You have no leg in this kind of things. You cannot fight this kind of fight. Hearing that you even try to bribe all these bloggers so that they can talk for you. Even some of them, I'm surprised they're rejecting your offer because they don't want to fight this fight. They know you are wrong from the beginning. So all you need to just do now, because it's too late for you to repair yourself, very, very much too late. It's just to come out and say, oh, look, I was wrong from the beginning, and please, I just want to stop because this is affecting me in many ways and I don't want to lose what I'm doing. Okay, I will even stop doing these things. Maybe I will find something else to start doing. Or you just disappear and not speak at all for months, 1 month, and come back later brand new. Rebrand yourself in a new, different thing. But still yet you want to fight in the end. That is why I will not be surprised with what that guy said, that maybe you are not mentally up there. I didn't say it. What's his name said it? Is it what's his name? I forgot the name. I'll put it if I remember. I'll put it on the screen. That he paid. He said it. She says he paid him 1 million to help her, like to join to say that talk good about her or stuff like that. But this is just too late. And I didn't like the part where Very Dark Man played. I stopped watching when he started playing the because he takes snapper, Ipo, I don't know what that thing is, and he's taking the same thing, doing his deaths, planning his thing. It was just too much drama. That just looked like drama that I don't need. Because I really take Very Dark Man highly. I still take him very highly, but I didn't need those drama from him. So I didn't bother to watch that funeral thing that he did, because it's not part of what I want to see. Because I know he likes to play. That is good for people who like to play, because I watch him because of what he's doing for the country, the kind of person, the integrity that he has, and the way he speaks on things. I really like his way of speaking on things. But when it comes to drama, those drama things I don't want those acting. I'm not interested. I have a lot more to go to watch. So I didn't watch it until he came out today now, as he come back today now, talking about now he's going to speak. So I'm waiting for him to speak. I think we are all waiting to speak for what he said. He has a lot to say so that we can understand where this is coming from. That is what we want. We want him back doing the things that he does best. And this kind of people should not distract him from that. We shouldn't distract ourselves from what is going on, And this girl is a plant for me, what I'm saying. Even if she's not a plant, she's just somebody that brings bad aura into things. From the one, I've already know she's not too good, because I used to follow her when I saw that she's doing good things, especially when she was bringing out those pregnant girls. That's when I find out. Then when Very Dark Man talk about Mohbad case again, when he's now brought out the WhatsApp charts or what he found on the WhatsApp chart, then she just did a video for him on her page, talking about him, insulting him, talking bad about him, like, why did you have to bring this now? If you want to change clout, you bring back this thing. She was just talking. I was so shocked because I don't really know her before, so I was shocked of how she was talking about it. I was so shocked that she would be making that kind of words about him. And at the end of the day, we now find out all the things she said. He brought out all the chats, all was true. But she just don't want him to talk. For what? Who are you to tell him what to do? Do your thing and forget. That is the time I deleted her. I deleted her from my Instagram. Because I can't follow people like that just botch into people's territory that talks about other things. Do your thing. I thought that was what I was thinking. I thought you were helping people. What is your business with this topic? Let him be fighting. It's not everything you talk about. Do you see all the news, CNN, all this stuff, talking about what Very Dark Man is doing, or all that kind of people? Some people don't even talk about if it's not important. If it's not that big, they don't talk about it. Even news and this TV news also, whether is it TVT, I don't know, CBC, or I don't know, the Nigerian news. This they don't talk. If the news is not something that they have to talk about, then you that is making things for people, to give people, to bless people, you just you just stand on your this thing and talk about him like that. They said, not because anybody have right to crucify him or say what they want to say, but for what I was thinking she was doing, or for what I thought who she is, I didn't expect that from her. So that's when I said, oh, so this girl is like this. And the word she was using, I said, so she's like this. That is when I really counter out. I said, I'm not going to be involved. Because I like to be involved in all this charity stuff. But after that, I just count myself out. I wasn't seeing all posts anymore after I deleted her. Then I'm shocked to see this. I say, oh, really? It's like I always get that feelings when something is not right. Because when you just give me one little thing like this, I can see from that who you are. And exactly that, she showed it now. Everyone now sees it. So I can't wait to see what Very Dark Man is going to talk about this. Of what is going on, because he said he wants to really come out and speak about what is really going on. So we shall see. Thank you all for watching again. Please kindly subscribe and please watch and share. I've now climbed 1,000 um, subscriber, so I'm looking forward to get a lot of views so that I can be monetized. My channel is not monetized yet, so please watch to the end, and then please give a like and share. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Bye.